Hello students, in today's video we will see what is no sooner than. No sooner than and hardly when, scarcely when. These are similar to coordinating conjunctions. These are correlative conjunctions because they come together. Two words such as no sooner and than come together to join two clauses. We have seen that as soon as makes subordinate clause. Here no sooner than will make coordinate clause. So first of all, we shall see the structure of the sentence. When we use no sooner than, how to use no sooner than in the sentence. So you can see on the screen, first structure is no sooner plus do does plus subject, verb, first form, object, than and another clause. Here we are using than before another clause and no comma is used to join another clause. This first structure pertains to the simple present tense. From do does we can identify this is a simple present tense. And no sooner this has negative sense. This is why we use no sooner in the beginning. Thereafter we use helping verb. Thereafter we use subject. And this is the structure for a negative sentence or a interrogative sentence, you can say. So in the second structure we can see no sooner plus had plus subject plus v3. Here had means perfect helping verb. We have used perfect helping verb, so this is why we are using v3 form. Thereafter object follows, and before joining the second clause we use that. In the same way, here we have used had, so this is representing past perfect tense. In the same way we can use present perfect tense also. In the third structure we can see no sooner did. Here we have used did, remaining structure is same, and this did represents simple past tense. So sentences will be given to you in different tenses, but depending upon the tenses you have to use these helping verbs. These are just three structures shown for example. You may confront so many different types of sentences of different tenses. According to the tenses you have to use the helping verbs. Now we shall proceed to see the examples and how to convert sentences using no sooner than. The first example, as the shopkeeper arrives the gate opens automatically. Here see, you can see the sentence is joined with the help of as. As is used before this clause, the shopkeeper arrives. So here also in the same way as we have seen in the video of as soon as, two actions are there and one action is happening immediately after the another. So to join such two clauses we use as soon as or no sooner than or hardly when. Here how to join this sentence? No sooner. No sooner we have used in the beginning, and it is compulsory we should use no sooner in the beginning of the sentence. After that, the subordinating clause, which was the subordinating clause or the first action is there, that clause we have to use first. Here we have used does. No sooner does the shopkeeper arrive, which was originally as the shopkeeper arrives. So arrives represents simple present tense. This is why we have used does here. No sooner plus helping verb does the shopkeeper arrive. We are using does. This is why we have removed s of arrive. After that, than conjunction we have used and the remaining clause continues as it is. Full stop. In the same way, the second example you can see, the thief heard the noise, he ran away. Two different sentences are there. So these two different sentences we have to join using no sooner than. In these two different sentences we can see the first action is in this sentence, the thief heard the noise. He heard the noise and thereafter he started running away. So answer to this sentence is no sooner did the thief hear the noise. Here in this sentence we have used did because heard verb is used and heard is in V2 form, that is simple past tense, and did represents simple past tense. After this clause we have used conjunction than, and thereafter we used the remaining clause as it is, he ran away. Here we have used small letter of he, first letter of that he small, because it is the part of the sentence, it is not beginning of the sentence now. So many students do one mistake while using no sooner than. Instead of this than, they use then. Sorry, they use then, and this then is absolutely wrong. So be careful while using no sooner than. Then you have to use in this form THAN. Again, the third example is when the king kissed his little daughter. When the king kissed his little daughter, her beautiful face turned into gold. Here, some king is there, and two actions are happening in this sentence. When the king kissed his little daughter, her beautiful face turned into gold. Students, you can identify that this sentence is a complex sentence. This sentence is joined with the help of when and comma, as this subordinating clause is coming at the first place. We have used comma after that clause, thereafter the main clause is following. So we are going to join this sentence with the help of no sooner than. How to join? No sooner. Now see here, kissed ed form is there and no perfect helping verb is there. This is why this is V2, means simple past tense. So this is why we have used did here. No sooner did the king kiss. Now the kissed becomes kiss because we have used did here. So we remove the ed form. Double ed form of the verb we don't use when we use did. This is why kiss his little daughter, comma. Sorry, here than should come. Than daughter than her beautiful face turned into gold. So this is how the third sentence we have made. Fourth sentence, fourth example we are going to see. The principal entered the class. The principal entered the class. All the boys stood up. Again, this first clause is in simple past tense. So we are using did here. No sooner did the principal enter the class, then all the boys stood up. Fifth example, I will make the announcement when I reach the office. So in this sentence, two clauses are there, but tenses are simple future tense and simple present tense. When I reach the office, this subordinating clause is in simple present tense and main clause is in simple future tense. Will is used here. So which is the first action here that we have to locate? I will make the announcement when I reach the office means announcement will be made after my reaching to the office. So first I am reaching to the office, thereafter I am making the announcement. This is why the first action which is occurring is no sooner do I reach the office. Here we have used do because subject is I. This is why to agree with the subject we have to use the appropriate helping verb. So for simple present tense, do is the helping verb. So we have used here do. After this clause, then we have used to join the second clause, and the second main clause as it is. I will make the announcement. It was main clause here, and in this sentence both the clauses stand in the equal rank because this sentence of no sooner is a compound sentence. So now I will give you the exercises. I hope that you would have understood the lesson properly. Thank you very much and take care at home.